What's going on, construction family? Today we are getting 100 hands-on with your Retevis RT29, RB48 Pro, and NR30D. Everything you need to know to set up, use, and maintain these videos on site. No tech skills required, I promise. First, let's take a look at what you get with every construction video. You have the main video unit, a rechargeable battery pack, long-lasting for all-day use, a heavy-duty belt clip, so you can clip it to your harness and tool belt, a hand mic for easier use on the go, a charging dock, and a user manual. But we are making it even easier than the manual today. All accessories are beautiful construction, tough, durable, no flimsy parts. Now the best part, quickly turn on and turn off.
One.
You don't need a computer. You don't need any software. Turn on the video. Simply turn the knob counterclockwise. And if you want to turn it off, just turn the knob clockwise. Then all Retevis construction videos are pre-programmed to the same default channel. As soon as you turn on multiple videos, they are paired and ready to talk. Press the PTT button to speak. Release to listen. That's it. Can't get similar than that. Now, for bigger sets, you will want to split your team into separate groups with their own channels. This way, the concrete crew isn't hearing the electrical crew's chatter, and safety can have a dedicated channel. Super easy to do, and we recommended these standard groups for construction sites: civil engineering, concrete crew, electrical, plumbing crew, safety team, and supervisors, inspectors. Each group gets its own dedicated channel. Just turn the channel knob on the radio to switch.
3, 4, 5, 6.
And label each video with the crew name for clarity. This keeps communication organized, no kills, no missed messages. For even bigger sets, you can add more channels. All our radio have plenty of channel space. Next, let's cover the practical on-site features that make this video perfect for construction. We use this every day, and they will are game changers. First, VOX hands-free mode. You need to use the programming software to set up. Turn this on. You don't need to press the PTT button. Just talk and the radio transmits. Great for when your hands are full of tools. Second, noise cancellation. NR30D. If you have the NR30D and it cuts through all sites, noise critical for large areas. Third, flexible to use PTT. You can press PTT on the radio
9.
or the hand mic, whichever is easier when you are working. Fourth, power saving mode. If the video is idle for a few minutes, it switches to low power, so your battery lasts even longer. All these features are designed for how you work on site. Last but not least, charging, maintenance, and waterproof tips to keep your radios working for years. Charging. Use the included charging dock. Just set the radio in, and it charges overnight for a full day of use. Don't use the third-party chargers. They are damaging the battery. Maintenance. Wipe and radio down with a dry cloth at the end of the day to remove dust and concrete dust. Don't use harsh chemicals. Waterproof IP67 tips. The radio is waterproof, but make sure the battery cover and charging port are sealed tight. It keeps water and dust out. If the radio gets wet, just dry it off. No need to panic. And if you drop it, pick it up, they are job-proof, so it will keep working. That's your complete step-by-step guide to using Retevis radios on the construction site. These radios are built to make your life easier, keep you connected, and keep you safe. If you have any questions about setup or features, drop them in the comment section below. We will answer every single one. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, subscribe for our construction site, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy building and stay connected.